Not all roofing materials are the same, and not all roofers are the same. Just ask the experts at Nationwide Roofing. We did. They'll help us navigate the qualities and benefits of asphalt shingle roofing.
Asphalt shingles are a beautiful addition to your home that adds immense curb appeal at a low rate. The thing that I love about asphalt shingles is that there is a color for every home, and there is a design for every single color palette, and they really look good when installed properly.
We service Florida from Jacksonville, Atlanta, and Savannah. Those are our three main shingle plants. Very cost-effective option for your roof, but also, it's an 18 to 22 year shingle, so it's really a good fit for most homeowners. Yeah, our mascot here, the Pink Panther, good friends with Rufus of Nationwide Roofing, has been part of Owens Corning for 40 years. This is actually our anniversary with the Pink Panther. So 40 years ago today, we partnered up, and he's a huge part of our business. Being that we own the trademark pink in building materials, it's a perfect fit for us.
So let's talk about how asphalt tiles should be your go-to choice for your new roof. There are several different types to choose from.
Innovation has really kicked in some key and cool differences in performance and look of shingles. So there's shingles that we call Supreme, which is an old style, used to be very common shingle. It's a 60 mile per hour shingle. Then very popular in Florida, 110 mile per hour, 130 mile per hour wind rated shingle that we have available. Then we have our Duration, which is actually our patented shingle. So we're the only one in the industry that can offer this style and design of shingle. If you can dream it, we pretty much have it.
And then, it doesn't just stop there with the profile. You can also choose various colors, and there are blends, there are solid colors. There's so much variety in asphalt that you can choose from.
Asphalt shingles are among the most budget-friendly options you can buy.
A 3,000 square foot house, you should expect to spend probably between $12,000 and $16,000, depending on the components that you actually want on your roof, because the shingle's only one part of the roofing system. So as a manufacturer credentialed contractor, we can offer warranties that have 25-year non-prorated labor, 50-year non-prorated material, and it's even transferable in the event that you were to sell your house.
Not only can Nationwide Roofing install your new asphalt roof, they can help you with your insurance claim as well.
When you have damage and you need your roof replaced, you need to make sure that you have the proper professional on your side that can actually include all the right components, because sometimes they are missed. And we want to make sure that they are included, and we want to get your roof done properly and in a timely manner, and we don't want to skip any corners.
So if you're looking for something to go on your roof that's going to look great, complement the other features of your house, and has a great warranty and brand that stands behind it, Owens Corning Duration shingles would be the perfect fit for any homeowner.
Stay tuned, because later in the show, we're sharing even more roofing tips you need to know. Meanwhile, for more information about Nationwide Roofing, visit nationwideroofing.com, and of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.